What are you thinking, Izzy? Say, Mama, we're kayaking. Oh my goodness, Mama. Finally got Izzy out on a kayak. Yeah, baby. She got her life jacket on though. And she's got her cooling jacket. She's got her shades and her sunglasses. Mama just has to carry her because she wants to walk real bad, but when we're on land, the ground's too hot. Yes. Right, Izzy? What do you think, Izzy B? It's like, oh, so relaxing, Mom. So relaxing. We see you under there. We see you. It's a cute little girl. Relaxing on the water. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. What do you think, Izzy? Wait, let me see you. Oh, baby. Where are you? There you are. It's like, oh yeah, Mama. Here I am. We're just having fun in the sun, aren't we?